desire and without reason. For I have nothing to be joyful about. There comes to me in my heart and is born a sweet wish, which summons me to sing and make a song, to give myself pleasure and joy, to be merry, to make semblance of it. For from joy one comes to good hope, and from good hope to great pleasure. Hey! Hey! It is true that for a long season I have been in great dismay, loaded with grief and terror, in war and in dispute with her who was bad, so pleasing, of such beautiful grace that the sweet memory kills my heart. But against my will, according to what I make appear, I turn her whom I most desire into not caring. And if I have my heart angry at it, or if I weep or lament or rage for her who withdraws her love from me, I don't accuse her or myself. For I have been in them such that never did I have great joy from love, that it didn't turn into grief and heaviness, nor could I ever at any time have great joy, that the joy didn't make me stay in grief. Hey! For my own harm I would grant pardon, and I would never complain about it again. But I have anger and grief in my heart when I see a worthy lady, from whom all good people take joy, take on herself vengeance for another's wrong, such that her worth and she turn into error. And a worthy lady should not fall, nor should her worth, by making another suffer. And I am of such a nature that beauty, youth, or joy never drew me toward a lady who made of herself a gift to many. For once a lady gives attention to each man, I don't hold in honor the honor she does him. For without giving hope, a lady with sense and wisdom can, saving her honor, keep many friends. I truly wish she knew by divination, she whom I desire, the sweet longing that I have in my heart to see her gentle body, where all placing pleasures are